Yo, yo, what's good? What up, what up, what up? Um, all right, man. I guess this is what we're doing. I guess this is really what we're doing here. Let me just move this out of the way. I mean, the zest here is just the weirdest setup, but it's all good. Yo, yo, what's up, you guys? Dub Mike. Bro, do you know I left Dubai, but I realized, hey, I forgot to bring my mic. All good, yay. So, I mean, that was annoying, but it's all good. Have to log into TikTok. Fuck, I can't be bothered streaming on TikTok then. I'm gonna have to nerf TikTok. Yo, yo, good to see the whole crew here. Big Mitch, good to see you, brother. Yeah, I forgot I see some, streaming at the Australian time. See some of you guys that I'm not really used to seeing in the chat. Amazing. So here we go. We're going to be trading gold and NQ. Hopefully my audio is not too cooked. Long time. Yes, sir. Harmless. What up? What up? What up? What's good, you guys? So we're going to be trading gold and NQ. Audio sweet? Okay, cool. Audio's good. All right. Let's have a look here. Is this London Open? I'm gonna mark a few levels here. Shem, fuck. Actually, I'm just gonna do a real quick top down here on gold in 15 minutes. Okay. Do you have shave your arm mad clean? My arm is shaved. I can't believe you can like kind of tell from there. Uh oh, in another hour. So this is pre-London. Okay, even better. So here's the thing, you guys. Look at gold. I could see gold punching up here and filling some of this range on the daily. 4 hour, very bullish. Current 4 hour has no bottom wick. Major area of interest up here, a lot of naked range. Um, the daily even coincides with that. If you look at the daily structure, like it almost looks like support's being held here for a bit of a pop up. Could it just be a pop? Could it just pop up and fail and then we get that drop? Maybe, but it could be a good chance to try and be a part of that pop. The 1 hour, 1 hour is looking bullish. We've got very clear targets above. I don't want to predict the time in which it does that, but let's have a look here. The 30 and the 15. What do we got to the left? It's going to be tough for buys. Like breakout buys are going to be tough, I think. Breakout buys are almost impossible. Pullback continuation buys are going to be the go. Are the ranges still massive? Not really. So I'm not going to actually like pen mark any actual levels just yet. Um, I'm not going to like physically mark any levels just yet. NQ is just ranging. I mean, with NQ, I'm just really personally, I'm only looking for I'm up 6K on this 100K account. I'm really just looking for just to get a little rat scalp on NQ just to get eligible for payouts. I mean, you guys, I don't know if anyone's seen with Apex this new trailing drawdown shit, their new account. It's a glitch. I mean, it's a cat. There's obviously a catch. After six payouts, they nerf your whole account. Like they just shut it down. You can only get like a small amount. Same with same way that Lucid does it. Much better rested this time. Yeah. I mean, my sleep schedule's still way off. I've been going to sleep at 2 a.m. and waking up at like 10:30ish. It's really bad, but we're getting there. My neck's cooked. I've been doing one-on-one calls all day. No, I don't trade Top Step. I mean, I could, but I feel like once I got to the payout, they wouldn't let me. Um, I've just been grinding on the personal account as well. Yeah, Tom, my sleep schedule's still way cooked. What's good, Will? Are you gonna go back? Yeah, I'm gonna go to Bali for a couple months, like a while, and then I'll go back to Dubai after that. If it chills out and shit, if everything chills out. Like the thing is, Dubai is not the issue. It's the fact that there's conflict all around Dubai, so like it's risky biz. Bro, Doyle Exchange exposed. Crazy, bro. It's just like so many of the OGs, like when I was coming up, I mean, there's just, it doesn't even matter about the OGs. There's just so many fucking fakes in the industry. No friends in the industry, whatever that song is. Um, yeah. What up, Vicky? So, I don't know about NQ. I guess gold's the one. But yeah, man, I think there's only been one flight out of Australia and I just so happened to be on it. They knew that I was cool and they said, let's get him on. But here's the thing with Apex, it's pretty cool. So I guarantee I'm going to get all the payouts possible because I'm already at the threshold for a payout. Now I just need to get the days. The max payout I can get is like 1,500. So I'll get that. I'll still be basically there at the threshold, build it up. Like I need like 300 bucks on it to get the next. I think I should be able to get this all the payouts out of this account, which is good because I've given Apex some. I'm in negative with Apex. I've never really focused on Apex, but I've definitely given them more money than I've got out them. I've actually never got a payout at Apex because I've always focused on Top Step and shit. So it's gonna be good to fucking get some of my money back. Did they charge you a lot for the flight? I can't even remember. I don't think so. It was a couple grand or something. Yeah, a couple G's. What up, Pharaoh? Do you use SMC? No, I don't. I use nothing. I use price action. Price MC. Your parents still in Dubai? Oh, 30 breaks a low. Are you talking about gold? I don't. Hmm. I mean, we've got that hour closure coming up, so we'll see what happens here. Right. We do have that coming up. There is a burger. Looking for gold? I'll tell you on gold, I'm I'm not gonna mark a level just yet. Let's see how the hour closes and then start to look at chilling out. Rhythm. There's a burger. All right, TikTok's in. So let's lock in. We're gonna have to. Oh, silver. Yeah, let's have a look at silver. How to join the webinar? There's a link in my bio. Free webinar this Sunday, you guys. Free webinar this Sunday. There's a link in the description, but here's a link right here. I'm going to put it in the chat and I'm going to pin it. What's up, TikTok? Good to see you. Wouldn't want to be ya. Nah, I probably would want to be you. Oh, personal account? Yeah, I have. I've got to figure out how to bring it up on this laptop. I just didn't have time. Bro, personal account, you guys, started at 5K, is at $65,000. All good. Do you know how many lap dances I could buy with $65,000? Bro, you are so handsome. Nah, it's all lighting and angles. Definitely, to be brutally honest. Can you lower your wrist down? Wait, what, Jack? So I really want to see how this hour closes. PA is wild to take any side. Uh, I mean, that's just life. That's just life. Can you explain why NQ not interested? Oh, no, I'm interested as long as there's volume. Looks, it's just consolidating, so we're just sideways, up, down, which isn't bad. Like I can trade within consolidation. Definitely. Let's have a look here. The hour. I mean, maybe an NQ sell coming up. What's a 15 look like? Fucking hard to watch it from this chart. Mm, yeah, we'll keep an eye. It's not looking too fun. No friends in the industry. You guys on TikTok, free trading webinar this Sunday. Here's a link. Here's a mofo link. The 5 missing layers to profitable trading. You got 5 days to register. You can see the countdown here. Don't sleep on it. Yeah, let's do a 65K to 5K challenge for sure. Looks AI? Nah, I'm not AI, bro. What time frame, sir? I don't know, bro. I'm on my laptop. I didn't really have too much time to make it all like pretty and shit. So I am live on YouTube though, if you wanted to, you know. Yeah. 5 layers Latina. Why choose Apex instead of Lucid? Um, I guess they had a no. I'll tell you why. Because they released this new account, which is no trailing drawdown, end of day drawdown cap. It is trailing drawdown. It's just end of day, so it trails, and then if you hit it, it just stops you out for the day. So I got one of those accounts and just happened to pass it. So I'm like, oh, I'll keep trading it. I didn't want to. I just wanted to try out the new account. Yo, Wayon, what up, my hunter? What up, brother? Big hunt dog. Hey, bro, why is gold not going up? What do you, kaboom? Me and Hunter, when we escaped Dubai, we drove inland for 2 hours and we were driving past these big oil things. And we were like, maybe it's dangerous to be around these things. I was like, nah, there's no way. Turns out they did get attacked. Like, lucky we weren't there then, but crazy. We were literally driving past them. It was like right there. And we stayed near them as well. All good. Dubai safe though. All good. Um, so yeah, here we are in NQ on gold, you guys. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream. I only stream once a year these days, so it's all good. Yeah, petrol prices. I mean, I've been saying to my guys, like, we're going to start looking at maybe, trading crude a bit more. Oh, crude's fallen down a lot. Wow. Crude's come down a lot. Okay. But there's definitely still volume in it. Silver. Silver's got better price act. Silver's got a better structure for a potential break above. Feel this wick up here. Is this a wick? Yeah, that's sort of not really. 4 hour? No. Damn, fucking silver's setting up for a big pop up potentially. Yeah. Gold and silver could pop and then come back down a bit later. We'll see. Mm. Yeah, top step might be nuking. Yeah, of course I remember you, CJ. Hi, bro. The QR code showed up on the live stream. Oh, what is your advice for trailing? Now I have 100K instead of 1% profits. Oh, that's too much for me to understand in one question. What up, Lady Lucid? So we got that hour closure. This is officially 1 hour pre-London. I'm anticipating a pop push up here. I would like to be a part of it. I just don't know how. Nah, I don't want to trade the DAX. I mean, I'd like to trade the DAX, but how am I going to find a, when and yeah, I don't even know if prop firms have DAX. Yeah, petrol price is gonna be wild. But it's all good, man. Here we go. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the YouTube stream here once a year. So we'll see what's, we're just trading. Looking at gold and NQ and silver. Has anyone had payouts with Apex? Do I need 5 trading days or something? I mean, I would love to see. When you used to live in Oz, you used to stream every day, you showed up every day, but you stopped. Yes, that's exactly right. Because here's the thing in life, to get to a high level in a certain field, you got to do extreme things. And then once you've kind of done that and established yourself, then you can pull back and focus on other important things. And that's kind of what's happened with me in trading. I've kind of established myself, proved to myself that I can show up every day and do something like that. And now I got more time to focus on other things, and I'll just stream in the mentorship mainly now. Bro, 270 people watching, only 11 likes. Come on, you guys. Bro, Ty, that's fully it, man. I swear to God. See if NQ breaks above the daily high. Gold's coming down here. I mean, if gold comes down, I'll be very surprised. Hello from Mexico. What up? What up? What up? All we have to do to get a payout out of Apex is trade for 900 days and not lose a trade. How did you build your trading audience and so many followers so quick? I mean, it is quick considering it's been about a year, a bit more than a year. I started by live streaming every day. And then when people would ask questions in the chat, I would start making videos about it. So then I started a Instagram and a TikTok page about a year ago as well. And what I did is I looked at all the traders' content and looked at what's working well and what's not working well. And I said, okay, I'm not going to do what doesn't work, and I'll just focus on copying what does work. And then I just copied everyone else's stuff. And then with time, your own personality comes in and you become your own person. That's with any field. Like I've grown social medias in other areas. I grew when I was into fitness. I grew a fitness page really big at the time. I was like one of the biggest fitness guys in Australia. Not the big, like in terms of social media following at the time in the fitness niche. Um, man, I could see gold just popping, but I can't just take it based on my belief. I need confirmation. If NQ breaks above this level, I'm potentially interested. Did you run away from Dubai? No, you're just stupid and you don't understand danger when it's in your face. Here's the thing about a lot of people that have grown up in Dubai. I gotta say it, bro. You guys have been so sheltered from danger for so long that when it's in your face, it doesn't register, right? There's no crime, there's no danger. Growing up in Australia or growing up in other areas of life, when you're walking down the street and somebody's walking beside you slash behind you, like you're keeping an eye on them. You're like, oh, keep an eye on, like just making sure, just thinking about precautions. You're not like that in Dubai. You don't think like that in Dubai. So a lot of you guys that don't understand that you're in danger, and if shit hit the fan, which it very easily could, you're useless, right? All good, but you can't do anything about it. So I just took necessary precautions, and when things settle down, then I'll be back. Simple as that. So many heroes in my DMs saying, you're a bitch, stay here and fight. You're not fighting though, right? You're just sitting at home. So, all good. Damn, NQ just kind of popping here. If we get a closure above, maybe we can get faked out here. We'll see. Each bait. Okay, so success mainly came from live streams or also the social. I mean, depends what your definition of success is. You mean growth? Like live stream is great for building an audience, right? You can actually build like friendships and an audience and things like that. But then short form content is going to grow the quickest, and then long form content is going to, solidify your legitimacy a bit more when people get more time to spend with you and see you break shit down in deeper analysis. Missed your crash outs. Fuck, Dan, tell me honestly, if you got 100,000 bucks, would you trade personal account? Definitely not. Get a prop firm account, small cheap prop firm accounts. Hey bro, have you tried Trade C? Hey, I'm gonna say something controversial here because I know a lot of people are sucking Trade C off at the moment. It's glitchy. It's a glitchy platform. It's still too early. I was gonna invest. I was gonna invest in Trade C with something. It's too early. It's too early in development. There's still a lot of glitches and yeah. Can you look at gold? Yeah, I'm looking at gold. Just be careful on gold right now. There's no clear direction just yet. I'm honestly waiting. I want to trade gold as well. Um, there's just no clear direction yet. So let's just let this candle print a bit. Swaggy Rod, what up? What up? What up? Did you get banned from TikTok Live? I'm live on TikTok right now. Hey, you guys, this Sunday, free trading webinar, the 5 missing layers to become a consistently profitable trader. If you look at my Instagram, I just posted a post of one of my students. He just quit his job to trade full time. He's just made 50K with trading since November, and he's really doing the thing. I just posted a link in the chat if you want to learn the 5 pillars to really getting it, then rock up to this webinar, my G's. There's a free registration link I just put in the chats. And now offer, no, but see, here's the thing, MK. So this is where I thought you were trying to get it because you're asking me if I offer high ticket only or low ticket now as well. You're starting it out wrong. You want to become a trading guy to be able to sell a product or sell your services. I never did that. I just started trading and creating content based on what people were asking and just out of genuine interest. And then out of that, mentoring and things like that naturally flowed. If you start trying to make content and being a trading influencer because you want to sell education, it's not going to work, my G. Or it might, but it's not, yeah, it's just not going to work, man. You want to do things naturally, and if that happens as a byproduct, yeah, that's what's going to happen. His name's Jack. Look at Adrian. Joining the mentorship was the best decision I've ever made. Never got multiple payouts after joining. It's not Daniel, it's a whole community. Exactly. Yeah, we've got a whole community of killers, to be honest. Big dubs. So gold's, see, this is why it's good to be careful on gold. Look at these last three candles, they're just dojis. NQ, what do we got? A closure in 5 minutes. Let's see if NQ can hold here. I'll tell you something I like to do is watch NQ on my old Top Step account because I'm used to viewing it here to build some analysis. Wow, look at this very major level here on NQ. Webinar, what time in Australia? Fuck, I actually don't know yet. Just register for the web and I think it's tailored good for Australians. Wow, look at this perfectly respected level here, you guys. So the question you got to ask yourself is, would NQ break and smash through this level during London? No, I can't do anything without 25 bands there, Shem. Nothing. Look, I try and click buy or sell, nothing happens. Um, yeah. So this is a question. I'm going to keep this open just because I want to keep an eye on NQ. The question you got to ask is session timing is really important. So what's the probability of this kind of doing this now? How often are you live streaming? Just once on YouTube. The rest, I do it every day in the mentorship group. So, oh, is that what you do as well, Game Bread? Look at Top Step. It's good. Yeah, because Project X is good to kind of view. It's really good, and then execute on Tradeovate. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll be brutally honest, with you guys. So, depending on how things develop here on NQ, I wouldn't mind potentially. I guess I already preference that. Depends on how things develop, but taking a fake out sell. Let's just keep an eye on NQ. Session timing is so important. 25 psych level. Best scalper member FX. I hope you're joking. Silver cells. Let's have a look. Oh, look at silvers. Oh, and looks like I got banned on TikTok. Firearms and dangerous weapons? What? Are they talking about this fucking firearm? Yo! TikTok is so fucking woke, bro. I guarantee it's because we're talking about Dubai war, which I didn't even say the word war. I didn't say anything like that. I mean, TikTok is the biggest bitch, bro. If TikTok was a person, it'd be, let's be honest, purple hair, all the shit, all good, but submit an appeal. Wild. Wild. Oh, dude. I mean, what guns are they getting mixed up with? Oh. W. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream, gang. Unheard of. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So look at this NQ kind of closed perfectly at this level here because they thought you said something about anti-Israel. But hey, even if I did, let me just talk, right? Like it's wild the censorship on TikTok. And I didn't even say anything bad. I never said the word war. I never said anything. What a bitch ass platform, bro. I literally didn't even say the word war. I just said, yeah, we were driving around in sketchy areas. Bro, I enter buy on the break of the previous 15 candle on gold. What did I do wrong? Why would you buy that? It didn't break. It just kind of moved past it. What made you decide to enter that? I, you know what? I think I know why you did it. Because I had an urge, because I kind of felt like price wants to push up, but there was still no confirmation there. It was just like, oh, I want to do that type shit. Yeah, TikTok's such a bitch ass motherfucker. Yeah, I don't think there's much of a T2 here. A lot of the ranges, like if this was the target, right? A lot of the range is already kind of being tested and filled. Um, Silver's got the better option for breakout at the moment. You've got like two at least relatively clean levels on silver, which is here and here, right? I think that looks, they're pretty decent levels. Why don't you trade MGC but XAU? I mean, MGC's futures and the other one's Forex. Probably because you said you don't realize what danger. No, I said that people in Dubai don't realize what danger is when it hits them in the face. NQ 30 minute. I mean, if I was going to get a breakout, like I would need this candle to be the one that broke out, which it didn't, right? Unless this one, yeah, yeah, NQ is tricky. What's the confirmation you're looking for? It depends on which pair you're talking about. I mean, on silver, it's pretty fucking simple. Silver, I'd be looking for just a simple break below or break above. Yeah, if we get a break below or break above, I'll be starting to look at potential sells or buys. You've got what? How much traffic here? Not much. You got like 20, whatever that is, to this level. Hey, bro, currently hedging my top step accounts. Is that allowed? No. Oh, that's Logan. Fuck. Yeah, I left my mic in Dubai. Now I've got this fucking colorful thing. Being able to 4 hour close in 4 hours. Yeah, let's watch what happens. I mean, it's pre-London, so you got a pretty similar type of level here on gold. What up, Aaron? What's up, my dude? Do you mind telling us about when you blew your account? I'd love to. I've never blown an account. I've been trading for 5 years, never blown an account. Nah, I mean, depends what you mean, man. If you be a bit more specific, I'll help you for sure. Daily closes tomorrow, yeah. This dude is not a trader. Yeah. Um, yeah, looking at the metals and looking at NQ. See what NQ does here. Like it just broke at that level, didn't break out. Yeah, bro. Aaron, that man looks so dope, bro. Where you are. Can't wait to go to snow. NQ fake out. Yeah, that's I mean, I'd still need to wait for this candle closure, Shem, but potentially. Let's keep an eye on how this candle closes. This man is capping, he's a liar. I know. I mean, Top Step must have moved me to live and give me all those payouts just as like because they liked me. They said, you know what? We only ever move 98 out of 100,000 traders to a live account. Not only that, you were about to do it a second time. You just needed one more payout. But, this scammer or whatever, I don't even fucking. NQ's breaking the highs again. Able to give me a bit of advice, bro. I've been consistently passing the challenge phase on my fundeds and blowing them really quickly. Yeah, it's two things. You're either passing the challenge account just by gambling, so when you get to the funded account, you don't know what to do. Or let's say you're not doing that. You're thinking about, I mean, it's just all the shit you already know. Most people just blow the account because they think about the money too much, which is a hard thing to say because you're trading for money. I mean, I like that he doubled down and said, I'm the greatest alive. I kind of like that, but other than that, I don't like anything else he's saying. Let's see if you're the greatest alive. No account, no videos, no nothing. Yeah, you're not the greatest alive, my G. Sorry. NQ's flying. NQ is punching up. Uh, Silver's kind of at this level. Aaron, are you still there at all? Gold's melting here. What's fucking crude doing? Yo, yo, big Paul. Yes, sir. Yeah, trader. I hope you've been well, Paul. Good to see you, man. Big big meltdown here. What's the 4 hour doing? 4 hours flipping here. Yeah, bro's been telling us to sell in Q. I'd be stopped out now, Mr. AM, the greatest of all time, whatever you said. You just stopped me out. Jibby Shemmy, Pezzy, Kashi, Jibby Shabby. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up at the stream. I'm live once a year, so make sure you drop a thumb. Let's get it. I just got banned on TikTok for firearms. TikTok banned me for firearms or some shit. All good. Can't win them all. The metals are dropping. NQ's flying. Do not put a stop loss broadcast. Yeah, I guess you're right. I'm so dumb. What up, Shabazandit? Why don't you stream much anymore? I mean, I do it in the mentorship now. I don't really do it on YouTube. I already paid like did my due diligence, streaming every day for over a year. which was fun, but now it's like time to pull back and just focus on other shit. Yeah, hide the Glock. Yeah, that's exactly right. Wow, NQ's flying. I wonder if it breaks this high. Fuck me. There you go. Who would have thought? What a weird time for NQ to break out, but at the end of the day, it doesn't mean shit. Paid your dues. Yeah, exactly. I need a mentor. You need Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, we'll leave AM if he gets like a not too annoying or ban him, but yeah, of course. People will just say whatever and yeah. Yeah, wow. I mean, there was never a trade opportunity here, realistically. Bro, I just got a top step account. How to hit 3K profit if max contract is 5 minis? Bro, 5 minis is a ton. 5 minis is a lot. Gold buys looking good after support's formed. Mm, it's going to depend how it looks. We've got a 30 and 15 closure here in 3 minutes. No like clear direction just yet on gold. Bro, what's wrong with my fucking phone case? Oh, this is my other phone. This is my new phone. Look, this phone case is good. I got two phones. Yeah, I guess you're right. This phone case is fresh. Bouncing from that VWAP, bouncing on that WAP. There's a highs broken on NQ. Wow. Fucking there you go. I guess that's it. Good for you, NQ. Didn't want to trade you anyway. Bitcoin, what's Bitcoin up to? Oh, Bitcoin hits 7,000 again, 70. Put the FOMO in, yeah. Kevin Gates? Who the fuck is Kevin Gates? Ah. I look like Kevin Gates. Bitcoin is zero, 100%. Oh, I can see it too. Look more like Michael Oxlop. Got this closure coming up here. Mike Dixon. Michael, wait, Dickerson cider. That's so fucking dumb, man. You guys are literally 2 years old. I'm the only adult around here. Wow, that was crazy of goal. Just shit the bed and then 100 pip wick there. Hang out here for a bit, see if we got something happening. Do you trade copper? Let's have a look at copper. I used to trade copper, so a little bit. Metals are kind of in the range. Nothing, no direction just yet on metals or breakouts or anything like that. Yeah, I'm on an alt account for sure. If Nikki was here, she would probably nerf him. I just can't be bothered doing anything. I swallow. Bro, that was the worst one that got me that time. I'm looking at NQ and gold. Wow, NQ's still punching through here, my dudes. What is that? That must be one big 30 wick candle. Yeah, fuck me. Bonkers. Hey, you guys on YouTube, here's a link. Free trading webinar this Sunday. The missing layers. The five missing layers between where you are now and where you want to be with consistent profitable trading. You can see the countdown here. Free registration. Lock in my G. Can we trade strategy in the 5 minute? I don't believe so. No. No. Because we take it, we pay attention to higher time frames and like the overall structure and candle closures for extra confirmation. You can, Logan, but it's not going to be stuff that you mentorship guys aren't all over. Hey, you guys in the mentorship, tomorrow's webinar is going to be probably the best webinar we've done, so make sure you're there. Um, yeah, we need higher time frame closures and confirmations and shit like that, so that's why the lower time frames don't really work for us. Does a long week here prevent you from shorting gold? Nah, the long week doesn't prevent me. It's just like structurally, I don't have the confirmation that I would be looking for in order to enter the gold. That's why. That's the only thing. Silver's like boxed off pretty well here. NQ's all the way up. If NQ had a pull, like obviously you need to wait a few candles, but had a pullback, catch type 2 down here. Yeah, webinar tomorrow, same time as the usual, which is 2 p.m. Dubai time. 2 p.m. Australian time. No, wait. Oh fuck, what time is it for Australia? I'll have a look, but whatever it usually is. Rolex matches the ice and the shirt and the dong. Blue dong syndrome. Oh, is it that late? Okay. Looks like we're doing, yeah, that's what we're doing then. Where can I get the free webinar link? Ah. It's pinned in the top of the chat and in the description of this video. Surely got two Rolexes now? Nah. I mean, I'm still trying to. I need therapy or something. I still feel broke and I'm like scared that I'm just gonna become homeless and shit. So that's the only reason. But I don't think I'll ever really. I don't need any more Rolexes or anything. Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in Zen Zibar, bro? No, I'm just chilling, man. So who's trying to buy gold? No, I'm not with StopStep. Don't be that kind of trader down your showing watches and stuff. No, hey, buddy. Hey, I'm not that kind of trader. I'm that type of person. If I've been able to acquire something to such a level that I want to treat myself by getting something that's considered luxurious, then that's on me because of me. It's not about you. If I wanted to get a Lamborghini and a gold chain right now, that's on me because I want it. It has nothing to do with you. So, you guys that project that shit onto people that have luxurious things, it's really a reflection on your own insecurities. Because when I got this, the amount of DMs I got from guys saying shit like that, I'm like, I realize they're just kind of reflecting their own insecurities. Like, how does that affect anyone else? You can stay with me, my parents. Yeah, sick. Thank you, bro. Thank you, my G. Haters gonna hate. I don't even think it's hate. I don't think they know that they are hate. I don't think they know that that's actually a reflection on themselves. Yeah. I don't think that they know what it actually looks like on the from the other perspective. I'm all the way up. Make sure you guys drop on the drop. Free webinar this Sunday. If you don't register now, then you're doomed for eternity. The 5 missing layers to be that guy in trading power. I posted on my Instagram just before one of my mentorship students joined on November. He's had 50K payouts, quit his job, and he's moving out of home. Like literally. He's fully done like the thing I said. And I'll be honest with you guys, that's a rarity. Like it's to get to that level is like the 1%, but it can be done. I seen AJ Currency made his way to way on too. Yes. Beautiful. Can we view this live stream later? Yes. Jesus was Pez. When insecurity kicks in, it unlocks hatred. Yeah, I get it because I used to be the same. Like there's things that I remember back in the day where I'm like, oh, I've spoke about it before, but there was one particular time where I hated on this fitness guy because he was photoshopping his pictures. And I commented on it. I said, ah, I can see you photoshopped it. And he replied to my comment. And I was like happy that I got a reaction out of him. And then later that day, he was like, you know, when like a rabbit gets shot and or a rabbit gets bit by a snake and the poison like slowly gets in and then they start tumbling. Like later on that day, it's like the poison started hitting. I was like, oh, I'm a loser, right? And I realized, yeah, that was loser shit to be excited that I got a reaction out of some dude. So I get it. Like a lot of people don't realize that they're losers, but hopefully they can in time or whatever. So we've got 5 minutes here. You know, it's an interesting structure here on gold. Maybe you want to buy, maybe, I don't know. Let's have a look. Silver's not even nudging at all. NQ could be potentially doing something. We'll see. Let's keep an eye on NQ here. Uh, no, I don't invest long term in shit. No, I don't. What up, phase? I want to make like a lot of money now. You know, just like, I want to buy a house and in 30 years I could sell it for $100 profit. And it's like, but I want to make money now. London PA is good, really? Oil's where it's at. Yeah, we're going to be starting to keep an eye on oil in our community. Wow. Oil did a thing. Hmm, not getting too much just yet. Average 4 evals blown a day. Yes, sir. Tall poppy syndrome big in Australia? Yeah, I don't even know about anything. All I know is, yeah. Yeah, no, everything's not good with Top Step. All my money, but other than that, yeah. No, I was only using Top Step to view the market. Yeah, I was only using Toppy to view it, just to view the market because I like the Project X platform. Brought an eval this morning. Oil open. Brought oil. Bye bye eval. Fucking, oh, man. What to do to be profitable? I love that you asked that. What you do to be profitable is show up to this free webinar that I'm going to be running this Sunday. Here's a link to it. Um, I'll show you what's up, my G. And if you can show up and take it serious and take notes, you'll walk away better than you were when you showed up. And that's all you can do in trading. Yeah, technically London isn't for 20 minutes. I know, I thought it'd be good to show up fucking pre-London because typically you get a bit of decent volume pre-London. And we did, but it just didn't give us structurally what anything interesting. Make sure you guys on YouTube drop a thumbs up for the stream live once a week. And yeah. Now the webinar is not recorded. It's like you got to be there or be square. By the way, Lucid Trading C platform is the same as Project X. No, it's not. And I think Trade C still needs a bit of work. It's still a bit glitchy for my liking. Not a big fan. I know a lot of guys like it. You can drag the fucking stop loss and like it's like, yeah, okay, but it's still a bit too glitchy. So no discount for your mentorship? No! Would you go up to Rolex and say, hey man, I like that date just. Can I get a discount? They say, bro, you're looking to buy a top tier product here. If anything, you're going to have to get back to the back of the line and put on a 1 year wait list. So, same thing here, my G. Um, let's have a look here. Gold's pushing up. Was too glitchy. Still no one. Yeah, I'm glad that you think the same, Ty. Yeah, I've had a few guys say they've had issues with it. I think it's got a lot of potential, but it's still just it's too early days for them. There's a closure. The webinar's free. Yep. Got potential to take over Toppy? I don't think so. There's nothing about Trade C that beats Project X, and there's nothing about Lucid that beats Topstep. There's nothing. I can't see any scenario in which they would, other than Topstep absolutely shit in the bed with, doing things like they did to me, which is refusing and banning people or whatever. But other than that, from like a standpoint of one against the other, there's nothing still beats Topstep. Topstep's still like one of the only phones where you can get like big payouts as well. Like you can withdraw 5K at a time. And this is coming from me, somebody that's been completely ripped off from Topstep, but I can still say that they're good because at the end of the day, you're not safe with any firm. What do we got, man? Not a bunch just yet. Not a bunch of interest just yet. Look at that 1 hour wick. I think gold looks like it's bullish. Like it wants to push, create a bottom wick on the 4 hour. Then I think it's bullish, but it's like, when can we get in? Bro, I cannot open the link to sign up. What do you mean? If you can't open the link, then copy the link and post it into your browser or something. The link's there, right there. I just posted in the chat. Crude oil come back up. I'll give it a bit more time here. Give it a bit more time. I was live streaming on I was live on TikTok before, but they banned me because they said had firearms. Oh, shit. 5K to 10K. Yeah, 5K to 100K is currently sitting at 65K. It's sitting at 65K and we'll just keep cooking. Man, once I hit 100K, I'm gonna have like the biggest party. I'm gonna do something crazy for it. A little best prop firm. No trade yesterday? Fuck, I genuinely can't remember. I genuinely can't remember. Did your test change because of roids? I mean, when I came off, yeah, for sure, but that was like 4 or 5 years ago. Yep, it was fucking very tough 4 years ago. For about a year, I was cooked. Literally about a year. But I ran steroids for like nearly 8 years straight. Bro, the webinar's at 3 a.m. Dubai time. Yeah, yeah, I know. 100K to a million? Nah. Once I get to 100K, I'm gonna pull a good chunk of it out and just move on with my life. Are you on TRT? No. No, I'm on absolutely nothing, which I'm glad because I don't want to rely on anything. Best way to do 2K a month with Top Step, learn a proven strategy and understand your psychology and just trade it. That's all. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'm probably going to jump off. I'm not interested in buys above here. I would like to see something like this on gold where it comes up and maybe fails and then look to sell it back down. But I know to the far left up here, there's a lot of structure on the way, so it's going to be fucking tough to get clean traffic for a buy. Silver, same shit. I've got like two levels. Um, can't be bothered. My neck's hurting too much. I've got two levels here. A break above here in a retest could look really nice. And NQ, yeah, what are you gonna do with NQ? It's just up here now. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm gonna do one or two more streams this week actually. But any of you guys, there's a free webinar I'm gonna be running this Sunday. Here's a link for it. Register or else miss out. And love you guys, appreciate you guys, and I'll catch up with you maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. But oh gee. Thanks guys. Love ya, and I'll see you tomorrow maybe. Peace out.